Good afternoon to one and all present here. I am Dr.M.Dinesh Kumar, Assistant Professor, PG Department Commerce with Computer Application, Manna Tirumanaikar College. Today we discuss about a basic procedure for how to write the articles. The research paper follow as the highlight title for very important. Abstract keyword, introduction, review of literature, objectives of the study, hypothesis of the study, research methodology, data analysis of the study, suggestion of the study, conclusion. Finally, use the reference based on APA style. That means American Philosophical Association based. Title is very important. That will be clear title and no more than 12 words. Avoid observation or unnecessary words. Given to the example, the one title is Impact on Digital Payment Adapt or Financial Inclusion Among Rural Micro Entrepreneur in India. Abstract is prepared. All paper prepared after that can be will be the abstract. That is very important because abstract used highlight for the single paragraph and 150 to 250 words only, and the introduction highlight point one line, and objective is two or more, that will be create a one point and the one para one line, and the research methodology give the one line, and the suggestions also, conclusion there will be, all are give to the abstract given for the one para, but the follow only below 250 words only, and keywords is highlighted for the only 5 or 3 words will be used for mandatory. Introduction used for the who is introduced, which year that be implementation, and the whatever used for the digital or anything that will be related to the topic, and now current status whatever it is, the based on the topic, that will be all details are including the introduction is very must, and additionally the refer to the other paper also including the introduction, but the citation will be must. Review of literature based on the review is called as a mother source, because that will be a help for the topic to data related to collect the sources for online or offline sources, and the whatever it is do you refer and collect the data, that will be give the reference is very important. And objective of the study, the objective is highlighted for the what do you complete your work, that will be give to the study, to evaluate, to analysis, that word to be used for the objectives. And hypothesis of the study, hypothesis is based on the your result is significant or not significant. If the result is significant, the null hypothesis is rejected. Otherwise, in your result is not significant, the null hypothesis or alternative hypothesis are accepted. That can be used for the hypothesis of the study. And research methodology, the research methodology is mentioned to your work, primary or secondary data, and the descriptive or analysis paper, and what tools that can be used, and the tool to result to the whatever apt tools can be used, that all mentioned to the research methodology is mandatory. And data analysis of the study, that is a very important for your paper, because the one paper that will be what the use for other, that will be all sources are available in net, but the data analysis and result to the inference to give, that will be useful for the in your solutions. And the data analysis to give the based on the using the SPSS, Excel, the data tools used to the based on p value. P is called as a probability value. The less than 0.05 is the significant is accepted. More at the same time, more than 0.05, the significant not significant. So the result hypothesis are accepted the hypothesis. And the suggestion of the studies is uses of suggestion is very important for based on the data analysis. Whatever is lack of your study, whatever is low preference, that will be what to improve, that in your idea based to give the suggestions. And finally conclude, what do you understand and what do you get, that will be explained for the conclusion. Totally what you explain and the major thing to explain to the conclusion also. Finally, reference used for the already told for American Philosophical Association based for using the style. In journal, what you used first to mention name and initial and next year, title of the paper and journal of paper in italical and volume, issues and number of pages for the journal. At the same time, report also prepared for the RBI report, year and topic and the annual report or bulletin and year link also. And finally, book format also. Kotare is research methodology and marketing management papers that can be using to the citation to cited, that can be mentioned the author name and author initial, year, book name and edition and last of the publications also. These are all the prepare the how to write the research paper. Thank you to one and all.